You might fall, but you can get yourself up again, and you have to constantly think of why you started on this path in the first place. Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm an application developer here at AirAsia. I work under the software engineering department. Been working here for the past 1 year and 8 months.
Hi, my name is Petr. I am working on personalization and A/B tests in AirAsia. As a front-end developer, it's been 1 year.
I was developer turned into a team lead that was managing some other developers. I was in a team that was building something entirely from scratch. It took a year of my time, but it was really fulfilling. It was like the final project that we did at Next, to be honest. We worked with a lot of stakeholders. We worked with designers, we worked with front-end guys, we worked with back-end guys. So putting them together was very memorable.
So one of the most exciting projects was calendar fair. So when you do a search for flights, you fill origin, destination, and when you click on calendar, you will see all the 2 months view of dates, and we will fill in with the prices. You can reduce the step of searching and you know what you are looking for.
Before this, I was in a non-technical role actually, I was doing sales. Then after, I was doing some freelance web design. Had the desire to do coding, joined Next Academy, and then now I'm working here.
Before I started in AirAsia, I was working in customer service in London. I had another job as an Uber driver. I found out in London about something called bootcamp. The problem was the cost of the bootcamp in London. It was £8,000, and that's what brought me to Malaysia. I did my research about the most affordable bootcamp with the highest quality, and Next Academy was the best choice. In customer service, you just offering something. It's every day, it's the same, repeating over and over. In the technology side and AirAsia, so many innovation is happening. The environment is moving very fast. With the growth of technology and AirAsia, I have the capability to grow as well. It's amazing, yeah.
The difference between the previous industries I've worked in and this one, this tech industry, is that it's so fast-paced. Everything moves at breakneck speed. One thing I really appreciate and prefer in this industry compared to the rest is that the learning curve is always steep. As long as the learning curve is always steep, it keeps me happy, it keeps me in here.
It was amazing environment with the community of people with the same goal who want to improve their skill and upgrade the level. It's beyond my expectation.
I needed a little bit of hand-holding. So Next gave me just the right amount of hand-holding. I had the opportunity to engage with the instructor or with the mentor that was explaining something to me that actually helped build a confidence.
The key thing I learned in Next Academy wasn't actually coding, it was the problem solving, which is very helpful in AirAsia and in my personal life as well. Any problem I have, I know I have to carry those small pieces and then find a solution. And in most situations, there is always a solution for it.
So Next Academy has taught me to believe in myself and just take the plunge and go for it. You wouldn't know until you try.